Good morning, grade 1. Welcome to our modular class. Are you excited to learn something new today? Great! I'm excited to share with you also our new lesson for today. So today we will be starting with the new block. We are now already in block 7. Let's proceed. Can you read the Esler with me? Okay, great. Esler. Through understanding block 7, Faithians will recognize the righteousness of God. Faithians become good stewards by demonstrating the proper usage of their things. So through this block, we will be able to learn and recognize that God is a righteous God. So what he do is always right. What he does is always right. That's why we also become good stewards by showing and demonstrating the things that we will use it properly and rightly. Bible verse is found in Galatians 6:9. Read with me. And let us not grow weary of doing good, for in due season we will reap if we do not give up. Principle, Faithians do the right thing. Okay, let me ask you something as we start. What things do you see in the classroom? I know all of you have already been in a classroom. Not by this time, maybe last year, right? Because we don't have face-to-face now. But what things do you see in the classroom? Let me show you an example. Okay, this is an example of a classroom. What do you see? This is a chair. This is a table. This is a mat. What are there? There are toys, maybe. There is like a puppet theater, mini puppet theater. So there are a lot of things that we see around or in a classroom. Today, we will talk about some common things that we see around us. Okay, get out your notebooks and name 3 things that you see or you can see around you. Again, name 3 things that you can see around you. Write it on your notebook, but don't forget to label your work. Write action and then the date today, November 24, 2020. Just continue with the video once you're done. Okay, I have here the things that I see outside or inside our house. These are the common things that I see. Okay, this is a book, a car, and a flower. Again, this is a book, a car, a flower. Next, how about these? Can you name this also? Okay. This is an apple. Next, an ant. Next, an umbrella. Read with me. An apple, an ant, an umbrella. Okay. What is the same between all the words on the board? Okay, can you notice what is the same with these things and with these things? Okay. One thing that we can see in common between these words are they are all naming words, right? We have tackled about naming words before. So what are the naming words? Naming words are a place of a person, place, thing, or animal. Like for example, a book. What kind of naming word is this? It is a name of a thing. Okay, just like car and flower. How about this one? The apple. What is this kind of naming word? It is considered also a thing. How about this one? An ant. It's a name of an animals. So these words, these naming words have an article before them. The article is the word before the naming word. Okay? We use a if the following word starts with a consonant. And we use an if the following word is followed by a vowel. Okay, do not forget that. Next, does each naming word name one thing or more than one thing? Again, does each naming word name one thing only or more than one thing? Okay, let's observe. How many is the apple? One or two? Okay, one. How about the umbrella? How many umbrellas are there? Okay, one only. So these words name only one thing. And again, for example, next example. A book, a car, and a flower are all naming one thing. There is only one book, one car, and one flower. So we use the article a. Okay, we use the article a when we have a singular or one thing only. A book, a car, and a flower. Okay, for example, when we see an elephant, okay, we don't say an elephant, but we say an elephant. How about when we say boy? If there is a boy that you see, you don't see a boys, but you say a boy. For example, this one, this is just one thing, a book. Do we say a book or a books? Okay, we say it as a book. Let's review. These are the articles. The articles is what you call the word between or before the naming word. The a and an. These are what you call articles. Again, let me emphasize this. We use the article a if it is followed by a word that starts with a consonant. We use an when it is followed by a word that starts with a vowel. Okay, T, D, C, H, and B are all consonants. And A, O, and E are all vowels. Okay, let me read. Let's read together. A tree, a dog, a cat, a hen, a bug, an ant, an apple, an owl, an orange, an egg. Okay, we don't say a ant or a apple. We don't say that. We don't say also and dog and cat. So it's like it's forming a new word already, right? So remember grade 1, we use a when it is followed by a word that starts with a consonant, and we use and when it is followed by a word that is starting with a vowel. Okay, so I just put it here for you not to forget. When do we use a before a word and when do we use an before a word? We use a before any word that starts with a consonant. We use an before any word that starts with the vowel. Okay. What is the color of one common thing that you see? Is it big or small? Okay, for example, I think the common thing that you see now is your pencil. What is the color of your pencil? Is it yellow, black, or pink? And is it big or small? Okay, we can talk about the color and size of things to tell more about them. So just like what we do, we describe words based on their color or based on their size. Remember, we put the size or color word between the article and the naming word. Okay, I have an example here. Let's read. I see an orange car. And I see a small ant. So this is what you call the describing words. And they go first, it is in between the article and the naming word. So in between, ibig sabihin, nasa gitna siya. Okay, nasa gitna. So again, let's read. I see an orange car. Remember, those descriptive words are in between the article and the naming word. We don't say I see an car orange or I see orange an car. So it doesn't make sense, right? So remember, we put the descriptive term or descriptive word between the article and the naming word. Sa gitna ng article and naming word. Okay. Let me ask you a question on how should we use our things, because we are talking about our school stuff and some things about the classroom or common things that we see. Answer this in your notebooks. Number 1 and 2. Put analyze first, okay? A while ago, I have said that you put action, now put analyze or write analyze. Number 1. How do you use your school stuff? So even though we are not in a face-to-face classes or in a school, you still have your school stuff. How do you use them? How do you use your school stuff? And number 2, what is the proper way of using them? What is the proper way of using them or using your school stuff? Answer these questions in your notebook. And after that, do your classwork, finish S3 on your English workbook, page 37. Again, finish your classwork, S3, page 37. So what will you submit to me? You will submit to me your notebook, answers in your notebook, and your S3 page 37. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you, grade 1. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. See you tomorrow for our online class. Bye!